If you're in need of an easy and economical replacement for your 2019 to 2021 Silverado 1500's front bumper outer filler, then this is the choice for you. This is going to give you OEM style, fitment, and materials for a lower price than you pay from your Chevy dealer. A quick note on fitment here before we dive in. This is the driver's side filler panel, and it's designed to fit all 2019 to 2021 Silverado 1500s, as well as 2022 Silverado 1500 LTDs. If you do need the passenger side panel instead or in addition to this one, we do have that available on our site as well. Now this gen of Silverado has some pretty aggressive styling to it, and these little panels actually add quite a bit. However, small plastic panels like this at the front end of a truck can take a beating out on the road, and their location means that they can also be kind of easy to break. And if they do break, getting a replacement from your dealer can be expensive. Now this panel is a perfect fit for the driver's side and is going to swap right in place of your original and get your truck looking factory fresh in no time. It even includes the correct vents in there as well, so again, it's going to be a perfect bolt-in replacement. The panel is also made of the same ABS plastic as your original, and it comes unpainted just as you see it here right out of the box. But it does include all the clips and fasteners already on the back that you need to get this installed. Now, this finish does mean that you will need to paint it, but the material means that it's ready for paint again right out of the box. And if you really want to, you could just leave it black for an additional rugged look. Though I do suggest getting them paint matched, of course, getting these paint matched to get your truck looking fully factory fresh. Pricing comes in at about $175, which is a small price to pay for something like this. And again, it's likely going to cost you a bit less than you'd pay if you went through your Chevy dealer. That is, of course, not factoring in paint, so if you are going to paint it, add a little bit of money for your supplies or to budget getting it painted at an auto body shop. Installation is also quite simple, and accordingly, we're going to give it a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and expect the job to take you about 1 hour to complete. As this is designed to be a factory part, it's just going to swap right in with no fuss. We're also going to walk you through the installation process right now, and for that, we'll head on out to the shop.
For this install, you need a ratchet and a T15 socket. All right, today we're going to be installing a front trim panel on our Silverado, so let's get started. All right, so we're starting off in our wheel well. We just have 3 T15 screws to take out. So I have my ratchet and T15 socket. We have 1 screw here, second, and the third up here. So we'll take all 3 of those out. All right, now we're just gonna pull our paddle off. There are 2 clips here, and then 2 up here that simply just push in. So we're gonna start on the outside here, just pull off our release tabs, pull them off, just give it a good yank. So now we're gonna install our new panel. As you see, we already have clips installed. There's 2 down here and 2 right here. So we're just gonna line everything up and give it a good tap into place. Now we see re-secure our screws in our wheel liner. So now we're just gonna reinstall our 3 screws with our ratchet and T15 socket in our wheel liner. And that wraps up our install of our replacement front bumper outer filler for the driver's side for our 2019-21 Silverado 1500 and our 2022 Silverado 1500 LTD. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.